Now, the brand UOG reached out to a girl and said they wanted to collab. And I was like, true, come through. Let's do what it do. So here we go. They sent me a box of goodies. I got the all-in-one eyeliner Lash adhesive in the clear and in the black. We are here for that. Not only did I get that, but I got the classic black matte finish eyeliner. And baby, let me tell you something. This sounds like a job for big sis, because I'm not a little sister if I can't pull my big sis to do your eyelashes. Like, hey, cool, let's go. First of all, we love the 2-in-1. Not only is it eyeliner, it is lash adhesive, so you're getting an eyeliner look. So of course, you know, I had to draw on my big sister's eyelashes, and we cutting up all through here. Okay, one of the things that I really did like about this is the fine tip application brush. Baby, them lines was on point, and as you see, she bent her eyelashes and don't even have the lashes on her eyes. Like, it's wild out here. It was giving an amazing eyeliner look. I love the fact that it dries quickly. Now here's the thing, baby, wherever you place this, be careful, because it's gonna stay. Okay, your lashes, they not finna move. Now of course, you sitting in my chair, I'm gonna make you show off the brand. And as you showing off the brand, she just started cutting up, because she cutting up. This is her on a daily basis, and she's like, I so pretty, and it's giving what it needs to give. Now I went through it with the black matte eyelash liner just to give her more boldness, because you know, gotta match her energy. And look at her cutting up, but beautiful. And then of course, I gotta be a little sister and windshield wiper her eyelashes just to make sure everything is good. And look at her fluttering out here. It's giving beauty. It's giving, yeah, take her outside. And I made her go outside. I made her change her whole outfit. I was like, you look too good. We gotta change outfit. The face and everything has to match. But it's giving beautiful, and we're here for it. Love it.